The grand staff is a combination of a treble staff placed above a bass staff. These two staves are joined by a curly brace. The grand staff is the standard way piano music is notated. In general, the right hand plays music in the treble clef, and the left hand plays music in the bass clef. Musical pitches are named according to a 7-letter alphabet: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. As you ascend in pitch, you ascend in the alphabet, and the letter names simply repeat. For example, when you reach G, the last letter in the musical alphabet, the next note up is A. We can determine any note names on the staff based on the reference provided by each clef. Since the treble clef is a G clef and the bass clef is an F clef, we can count up or down in the musical alphabet to determine the name of any pitch. The letters alternate spaces and lines on the staff. For example, on a treble staff, the second line up is a G. The next note up, which is the second space up, is an A. The third line up is a B, and so on. To speed up note recognition, it is helpful to memorize the note names associated with all the lines and spaces in all the clefs. Starting from the bottom of the treble clef, the lines are E, G, B, D, F, and the spaces are F, A, C, E. Starting on the bottom of the bass clef, the lines are G, B, D, F, A, and the spaces are A, C, E, G. Notes above or below a staff use ledger lines. These lines are a continuation of the staff grid. In between the treble and bass clefs on the grand staff, there is one ledger line. The note on this ledger line is middle C, so named because it is located approximately in the center of a standard piano keyboard. The notes that exist at the upper and lower extremes of the piano keyboard may require several ledger lines. Because the musical alphabet consists of only 7 letters, the names of pitches will repeat. Each pitch, regardless of where it is on the staff, belongs to a pitch class. A pitch class is simply all instances of the same pitch letter. For example, all A's on the piano belong to the same pitch class. They are not the same pitch because one is higher or lower than the other, but they are the same pitch class. The smallest distance between two notes is a half step, also known as a semitone, the distance between two adjacent pitches on the keyboard, for example, B to C or E to F. A sharp raises a pitch by 1/2 step. A flat lowers a pitch by 1/2 step. Thus, from C, a white key, to C sharp, a black key, is 1/2 step. From C sharp to D is also a half step, whereas A flat to B flat is a whole step, or 2 half steps. A double sharp raises a pitch by 2 half steps, and a double flat lowers a pitch by 2 half steps. To cancel a sharp or flat, we use a natural, thus returning a black key to a white key. Sharps, flats, and naturals are called accidentals. A single pitch may be spelled multiple ways. For example, a C sharp can be spelled as D flat or B double sharp. These notes sound the same but are spelled differently. This concept is called enharmonic equivalence. This keyboard lists the most common pitches as well as some of the enharmonic equivalents. There is always more than one way to spell a pitch, and these alternate spellings are necessary based on the context.